Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. How y'all doing? Chilling. Shit, so today we got a little car meet we're going to. It should be pretty fun. I had to bring out the S2000, you know. Got the homies in the back. I don't know if y'all can see them, but I'm gonna show you what they cruising in, what type of cars they got and whatnot. We're actually going to a BQ meet, so right now we're just cruising on the way up there, and shit, I'll update y'all whenever we get there. Show y'all different cars and introduce you to the guys and whatnot. But I'll get right back to y'all. Peace. All right, boys, I'm back. Made it to the car meet, safe and sound. I'm gonna show y'all the homies cars right now, but we just pulled up. Little car meet. Supra. Little Boopra. Yes, sir, ski. Girl driven, okay. Anyways, boys, yeah, there's a bunch of cars out here. I'm gonna walk around, show y'all a couple cars, you know. Show y'all the homies cars. Got a little Cadillac right here, probably ATS. Uh-oh. Sheesh. That boy on that tire. Look at this, boy. Big welds. Oh, thank you, sir. Turn the light on for us. You know them 5.0s don't play, man. No, get my cut. Hey, okay. I don't give up. Yeah. We got a bunch of cars out here, guys. The Z01, clean. We got right here. Oh, we got an Infinity, guys. But this ain't no ordinary stock 3.0T. Y'all see what he got back here? Yeah, this is the Gapplebees right here. Oh, you good, bro? All right, boys. First car's up. This slow G37 right here. Nah, I'm just playing. Right here. Look, this is the driver right here, the owner. What's up? I'm a boy, Fresh Kicks, or Juan Kicks. What you got right here, Juan? What you got? Tell the people what you rolling in. 2013 G37 IPL, y'all heard it. Show them the interior real quick. Show them why the IPL is so special. And what are you sitting on? You sitting on what size rims are these? 20s. Some 20s. All right, it ain't no regular G37, guys. Don't get it twisted now. Yeah, y'all don't play with my boy. One mistake though. Automatic. It's all good though.
It's alright.
It's all good though. No, it's a clean ride, guys. I got the other homie right here. Easy does it.
What's up with it, man?
What up, Easy? What you rolling in, Easy? What you rolling in? Show them boys. G37, y'all already know. VQ. See, but my boy on another level right here. This ain't just no ordinary G37. Yeah, my boy got the wheels on it. BC coilovers. HKS single exhaust. Full bolt-ons. And of course, it is a 6-speed. Flame app. Is it ready? Oh, my bad. I thought you were rocking the HKS like me. Yeah, my boy got the carbon fiber caps, mirror caps, hood. Yeah, I don't want to pop the hood because, you know, there's too many secrets in there. But y'all see it.
This thing's slow.
Thing's slow? So you telling me you gap them all the time?
Every time, every time.
What do you think about that, Easy? I don't know, boys. I got the GoPro, so we gonna have to they're gonna settle that later on, you know. Yeah.
I got some extra weight in the car.
He got some extra weight, but he ain't tripping. Oh, hold on, before I get ran over. My bad. Come on. Ooh. All right, Omar, we gotta show him your car, Omar. Come on. This the other homie's car, man. All my homies got G37s, man. Yeah. My boy Omar.
What's good, y'all?
Show him the grill. Show him the grill.
Johnny Dang.
Come on.
Got it from Johnny himself.
What we got here? What we got here, Omar?
Full bolt-ons, man. Motor dying, everything. We didn't do too much. Only had the car for a year.
Okay. Okay.
So, next year is when we go all out. We're gonna put that Soho single turbo kit on it.
Soho single turbo. Okay.
The Spec D headlights.
Spec D headlights. Yes, sir.
Changed the grill out. I got a cold air intake from Z1. This is more interior stuff.
The interior is where it's at, fellas. Yeah, my boy just put the wing on it too. Full motor dyne exhaust. And of course, my boy got the I wouldn't rev it up though, because the police over there. But he just wants to show y'all the Tesla screen, of course. This thing is fire.
Touch screen, everything.
That boy is low. Anyways, yeah, he got the carbon fiber steering wheel. This thing is fire.
No, nothing too crazy.
Yeah.
Working on it slowly but surely. Slowly but surely. They go the wheel.
My boy got that boy connected and everything. Of course, 6 speed.
You know it, baby.
We ain't rocking no autos over here. Other than my boy Juan slow. And then, you know, y'all know my car is just a little S2000, you know. But yeah, boys, I'm gonna update y'all when we get back on the highway, have some fun runs. Peace. my boy Juan with the IPL, since his is stock. Both of the G37s, you know, two of the black ones are tuned, so like they're already at like, they make some good power, you know. See what they talking about. We'll see what they talking about. Who? He's fast, that's why. Shit. Yeah, I can ready everything recording, man. What's up? Shit.
You gonna put it on YouTube?
YouTube, my boy.
Oh, yeah?
Hell yeah.
What's your channel?
It's called Eduardo EDWARDO, and it's AP1.
Oh, yeah? All right.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. I be recording all types of shit all the time, man.
Don't let them beat you, bro. You got an S3000.
Yeah, I know, man, but you know, V6 against a 4-cylinder, bro. It ain't no, you know, it's fun though, you know. But you have a good night, bro.
All right, be careful.
Yes, sir. like the car, y'all hear it? We're just out here having some fun, you know? But yeah, guys, we about to go to a little gas station, and then I'll get back to y'all whenever I'm probably finna race my homeboy's 3.0T Infinity. Not Infinity, yeah, it is Infinity Q50. Hey, that motherfucker clean. Big Denali. But yeah, boys, I'll get back to y'all right now. I got y'all a little good little clip. Come on. That was good right there, boys. 3.0T, baby. Them turbos don't play. Hopefully y'all enjoyed that, man. Hopefully y'all enjoyed that, man. Yes, sir. We back, boys. We had a little bit of fun. I think so, bro. But yeah, we just up here. We just pulled up to a little rooftop.
It's crazy how a hood could bring out so much line.
Park the car.
Fucking hell. Nothing.
Yeah. Park the cars. Yes, sir. But yeah, boys, it's the end for the vlog right there, guys. We had a long little night. We just chilling now. Little view. No cars broke down. Ain't nothing blow up. So I'd call that a successful night. Right, boys. Y'all have a good night. I'll check y'all up on the next one. Peace.